Okay, my expectations um going into this project is that it's gonna be very time consuming and yeah, shame. Mm. But I feel like it's also going to teach me, like in the real world, how to how to live and how to budget and how to um, basically just keep my money at a minimum and uh, having to figure out insurance, where I want to live, and how much that apartment gonna cost, and it's time consuming. And I don't feel like it's gonna be difficult. I don't feel like it's difficult, but it does require um, me to sit down and think and to be smart about it, about my money, and if I need to put something back, if I need to cut down on something, basically to just, you know, stay in my limit, stay in my lane. And that's like basically what I expect out of this project is that um, I'm gonna learn. Like, I'm gonna learn how to find an apartment to basically um, figure out certain things. That's what I'm expecting out of this project. This this project. And yeah. So I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway because it is going to teach me life, like things I need to know in life when it comes down to money and trying to buy a house or apartment or just a car or anything. So I feel like the project is going to teach me how to, um, so basically, like I said, the word, like limit, you have to limit yourself. You need to know when you're going over your money, how much money you need to spend, and when you have a certain job, how you need to know, like, if I'm making a certain amount of money, um, I don't need to go over that. I just need to cut it or whatever. And that's just basically what I feel like my going into doing this budgeting project. But yeah, I feel like it's teaching me. I'm a singer. Yeah, I need to learn how to grocery shop and everything else. So yeah, yeah. But I'm gonna call it a night, and that's it. That's how I feel about this project. Yeah.